Y equals 1/2 x plus 0. You're muted.
Yep. Right. Sorry. So good. So this is really good. Like you said, it's perfect, but you actually would not write the 0. You just leave it as 1/2 x. Okay.
Okay.
Now to go to standard form, which is what we're gonna do next, go to standard form. You would subtract 1/2 x from both sides. You typically move it to the left. So minus 1/2 x plus y equals 0. And then you multiply now everything by a number to get rid of the fraction here. So we're gonna multiply everything by -2. Why do you think I chose -2?
Because it's the denominator of the
Exactly.
fraction.
And it's the negative. All right, so that becomes x minus 2y equals 0, like that. And that's your final answer in standard form. Okay. So yeah, we had slope intercept form. And then standard form. Is that okay?
Yes.
All right, so let's try another one here. Let's say I give you an equation like this: y minus 2 equals 1/3 x minus plus 9 this time. So I'd like you to put this into y equals mx plus b form again.
Y equals 1/3 x plus 5.
Y equals 1/3 x plus 5. Very good. So this time we're going to subtract 1/3 x from both sides to go to standard form. So minus 1/3 x plus y equals 5. And then now what will we multiply everything by to undo the 3 on the bottom and then the negative in front?
-3.
-3. Yeah. And so you really want to do it all in one step. You don't want to multiply by 3 and then by negative. So we're going to do that now. We're multiply everything by 3, although it's -3. So it looks like that. It looks like x minus 3y equals -15, like that.
Okay.
All right, so let's try another one here. Let's go y plus 1 equals 1/2 x minus 4.
Y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1.
Okay, good. So now I want you to put it into now standard form. So I've done a couple examples for you, so take a look and see what you come up with. You have the final answer for me?
Yeah, negative 1x plus negative 1x minus 2y equals negative 2.
Okay, so let's work through this. This one's a little bit different. You have to add 1/2 x to both sides. So it's 1/2 x plus y equals 1. And then you multiply everything by 2 this time, not -2, because it's already there. So I got x plus 2y equals 2, like that. So if it's subtraction, you add it to the other side. Does that make sense? And then you multiply whatever the denominator is. Now, if it's negative, that's when we multiply by a negative in front.
Okay.
All right, so let's do a few more like this. Let's say it's already in slope-intercept forms. Let's say it's like negative 1/5 x minus 2. Okay, so this time again, you're gonna add 1/5 x to both sides. Right, so 1/5 x plus y equals -2. Now what do you multiply both sides by?
5.
By 5. Okay. So that's x plus 5y equals -10. Okay.
Okay.
Now, I don't want to give you the impression that it's always like 1/5 or 1/2 or 1/3. I mean, really the slope could be anything. Like it could be y equals -3/4 x plus 2. Okay. So when you add this to the other side, so we got 3/4 x plus y equals 2. And then you want to clear the fraction. So what do you multiply everything by here? What's the
4
denominator?
by 4.
By 4. Good. So that becomes 3x plus 4y equals 8. Okay. Let's try another one here. So let's say I give you something like this. Y equals 2/3 x plus 7. Okay. So sorry, just to be clear, I want you to put this in standard form.
Okay. (2x plus -3y equals -21).
Okay, let's take a look here. It's sounding pretty good. So you subtract 2/3 x from both sides. So you got -2/3 x plus y equals 7. multiply everything by -3, so that's 2x. Like you said, -3y or plus -3 equals -21. Very, very good. Okay, that's great. So now we're going to talk about parallel and perpendicular. Okay, so do you remember from anything like what how to determine if two lines are parallel? If do you remember what would cause two lines to be parallel?
Next to each other, but never touching.
Right. So graphically, they look like that, for example, right? They never intersect. You can think of two streets that never intersect. They have the same slope. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's say I give you the equation line. So let's say I tell you it's y equals 2x minus 10. What is the slope of this line?
2.
It is 2. Okay. So if I want a parallel line, what would that slope be?
2.
2. Yeah, they have to have the same slope, right? That makes sense. They have to have the same exact slope. Okay. Now, so the problem would be written like this. This is just to kind of build up and say, it would say, write the equation of the line through, and I'll give you an ordered pair, -2, 3, parallel to y equals 2x. What did I say? Plus 7. It doesn't really matter. Or doesn't matter. Okay. So what you have to do when you write equations that are parallel is you have to first extract the slope. Or I said 2x minus 10 doesn't really matter. Okay, so when you get that slope of 2, and you have a point -2, 3, you have to write the equation of line. Now there's 3 forms of the line, right? That you can recall that we've been doing.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so let's go mx minus x1. I'll be right back. Go ahead and write in this form, please.